This tutorial I will show you how to make a page. Alright, so you've already logged into PebblePad and you're going to go to the Get Creative button. The best or easiest way to create pieces that you can add to a portfolio is to create a page. And the pages will make up a full portfolio, and you can add them in different ways to different portfolios. So maybe if you are doing something for an employer, you're going to add certain pages. If you're doing something for a personal website, you'd add different pages. And this way the pages are portable and you can add them wherever you want. Working in PebblePad is pretty easy. It has banners, and that's where you title things. So that's pretty creative. And you need to label things, and you also need to save. It doesn't auto-save, so that's important. I'm just going to do this so that you can follow. Right, so you give it a title, and it will save. Great. And to add content, you use this plus button, and you can see the options. So you can add a banner, you can add text, images, video, audio. You can embed things, especially things like YouTube videos. You can add quotes, and we don't really have a badge system here, so you can ignore that for now. I will show you a couple of things with the text, image, and embedding. So first, text. It works basically like text anywhere else. You'll see on this right side there's always this option for properties that gives you a little bit more information and sometimes some options, so you can change the layout a bit and the background color. Something that's a little bit odd about PebblePad is that you can't do text formatting until you actually have text already on the page. Like, you can't choose to bold something before you start typing. So once you have some text, you can highlight it and a little menu pops up where you can align things. You can have different style options. You can change font, size, color. You can link. This is where if you wanted to link to your resume, for example, you would link the text here and you would click on asset. Asset is just the word in PebblePad that means stuff, like files. That's just the word they use for it. So you can, if you already have stuff that you've uploaded, you can choose for it here, or you can do what you probably usually do if you're sending someone an attachment or you're adding something to another kind of website. You just upload, choose the file, and then you can select from the files that you already have. So you can link. You probably wouldn't want to link to an image. Bad example, but anyway, you can link to any kind of Word document, PDF, anything like that. You can also cancel. You can also, fine, I will save it. All right, you can also link to other things. You can link to a URL. You can link to an email, etc. So that's how that works. You can also add an image. So again, it will sort of, you click on Open Asset Store and it will show you a little gallery, or you can upload just like you would anywhere else. You can upload from your computer an image. I already have some files uploaded, so I can select from here and it would show up there, which is nice. The other kind of content, you can add an embedded YouTube video, which is probably, let's see, so I'm going to give an example from one of my videos that I have. So if I take the embed code, sorry, I make a lot of these for people. Okay, so I grab the embed code and I go back and I can embed a video here. But you can also embed a Google Doc, which is really cool. That's a new feature. So then the video player is right in there. Play around with the options. It's fun to highlight a quote. It's great to have audio. One of the great things about PebblePad is that it is multimedia, so utilize that to your advantage. Okay, so that's how to create a page, and I will show another tutorial for how to add the page to a portfolio.